next we explore next is for the window here. You just click here. That's for HP computer, laptop computer. Here you can see they have a video editor for you installed in there. Access, alarm clock, Amazon, piano, play, audio control, calculator, calendar, camera, candy brush saga, candy brush shoulder saga, connect, Cortana, Adobe Access, Roblox promotion, Excel, feedback hub, games, get help, groove, music, hidden CD, and hidden project adventure, SB audio storage, SBE print, W, HP help and support, HP jumpstart, Nintendo, mail, maps, McAfee security, messaging, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft News, Microsoft Solitary Collection, Microsoft Store, Minecraft for Windows 10, Master Reality Portal, Master Reality Windows, mobile plans, movies and TV, My Office, Netflix, OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, Pen 3D, People, Photos, PowerPoint, Priceline.com, the best deal for hotels, flights and rental cars, publisher, Satin, symbols, solitary, Skype, sticky note, tips, new video editor, voice recorder, weather, white tangent game, window accessory, window administrative tools, window defender, security center, Windows ease of access, Windows PowerShell, Windows system, Word, Xbox. And you want more and it's not in there, just type here to show, or you have anything you need to search there. And then there's the tips, and then here you can see on this side create calendar. Here under section create calendar, see all your mail in one place, My Office, and this one is Words, PowerPoint, OneNote, Excel. On this side is play, all this game, Xbox, movie and TV, color calculator, Google's music, maps, photos, in Minecraft window, Minecraft window for Windows 10, Microsoft Solitary Collection, Candy Crush Shoulder Saga, Candy Crush Saga, Hidden CD, Hidden Project Adventure, HP Jumpstart, Netflix, Good to Go, McAfee Security, and Priceline.com. Here, this is some app, white tangent games. If you don't want it, you just can remove it. On this side is the Explore. You can Microsoft Store, Microsoft Edge, and then there's the Weather, Cloudy, Adobe, Skype, News, Pen 3D here. And then that's this is more here. And this is symbol solidity. Oh no, symbol solitaire, marathon, wrap-up promotion. Okay, that's for the Windows 10. And on this side you can see this that's his recycle bin and Microsoft Edge. While I saw on the taskbar here, it's a search stuff. I just click it and then they open up. Hi, what you're on your mind, and yeah, show movie, blah blah, app, documents, web content, can do much more. And then there's the Microsoft Edge. And there's a File Explorer, and that's Microsoft Store, Amazon, dropout promotion, HP Jumpstart, and map. On this side, you can see this is people. Show hidden icon here of HP Cool Send. No action needed. I'm a free live sale. Bluetooth devices. And this is Intel Rapid Storage Technology. And this is the battery is 71% available. I'm charging right now, so this show plugged-in charging. And this is internet, the speaker and headphone, so you can change the volume up and down here. I put it 26. Well, and this is the time, Saturday, the calendar. If you try, that's all. And no, this is notification. Okay, that's all about this computer. And once again, if you want to try to find out, and it's the task view, because the so far I show you, you don't see this is for the control panel. You just type control panel here, CO, and they pull up chat session here for you, and I click control panel, and here that's show you that's the same parts of the old computer. They have system, security, network, and internet, hardware, sound, and uninstalled programs. User account, where you can create the user appearance and personalization. Clock and reason is an asset. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video.